Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the lesson India's foreign policy of first base. Actually, the first base is started from 1947 to 1962, but in our book given 1950s to 1960s. Anyhow, we are discussed them. All are include them. Okay, all are include this. The first base is actually optimistic base. Another one is idealistic base, also called. At the time, India's foreign policy under the guidance of our Prime Minister, the first Prime Minister of Jawaharlal Nehru, the new nation got independence after the long period of the colonial struggle, and then our economical level is very difficult situation. So we respect to economic development. So it was necessary to align either of the two blocks. The two blocks are called USA and USSR. USA means United States of America, USSR Union Soviet Socialist Republic. The two blocks are bipolar state also there. The base is also called bipolar status. Our Prime Minister Nehru opposed to rivalry of the two superpower. Because of the two superpower extend their influence over the newly emerged continent of Asia and Africa. So he chose the path of the non-alignment. Non-alignment means not joining with any bloc, any superpowers. In the base of the bipolar order of the Cold War, the third bloc was creations. At the time, India's foreign policy was the aim of the foreign policy of world cooperation, world peace, end of colonial imperialism, and racial equality and non-alignment. The term non-alignment was coined by V. Krishna Menon while his speech at the United Nations in 1953. Non-alignment has been the most important feature of India's foreign policy. It aims to maintain a national independence in foreign affairs by not joining any military alliances. It was the largest political grouping. It started from 120 countries and then 17 observer states. It have now 10 international organizations. It has been successful establishing a foundation of economic cooperation among the underdeveloped countries. Another one fact is that has transformed from a political movement to an economical movement. The founding fathers of non-alignment movement was Jawaharlal Nehru of India, Tito of Yugoslavia, Nasser of Egypt, Sukarno of Indonesia, and Kwame Kumara of Ghana were the founding fathers of NAM.